In a world where respect seems elusive, one man embarks on a journey to discover its true essence. This is the story of Rohan, whose quest for respect led him to the doorstep of a wise Zen master. Rohan, burdened by a longing for respect, hears tales of a Zen master who holds the key to inner peace and honor. Determined, he sets out on a pilgrimage to seek guidance. After days of travel, Rohan arrives at the serene monastery. There, he is met by the Zen master, a beacon of tranquility amidst nature's embrace. The wisdom of the Zen master. Zen master, welcome, Rohan. To earn respect, you must relinquish these 6 burdensome habits. Habit 1. Stop lying. Zen master sees the habit of deception. Lies tarnish integrity and erode respect. Embrace honesty, for it is the bedrock of genuine respect. The wisdom of Zen emphasizes living with authenticity and integrity, values deeply compromised by the act of lying. The Zen master's advice to cease the habit of deception is not merely a call for moral uprightness but a profound understanding of the consequences that lying has on one's character and relationships. Lies, no matter how small or seemingly harmless, not only damage the trust others place in us but also erode our self-respect and the authenticity of our interactions. Honesty, on the other hand, serves as the foundation upon which genuine respect and trust are built. It fosters open communication and deepens connections with others, creating an environment where relationships can thrive on transparency and integrity. In embracing honesty, we not only uphold our respect for others but also cultivate a sense of self-worth and dignity, aligning our actions with our values and living a life of authenticity and purpose. The path to honesty requires mindful practice, a commitment to truthfulness in our words and deeds, and the courage to face the consequences of our actions with integrity. Habit 2. Don't tolerate insult. Zen master refuse to tolerate insults. Standing firm in the face of disrespect preserves self-worth and commands respect from others. Embracing habit 2, as outlined by a Zen master, involves refusing to tolerate insults, thereby safeguarding one's self-worth and ensuring respect from others. This practice is not about retaliation or harboring resentment, rather, it's about maintaining dignity and promoting mutual respect. By not accepting insults, we signal to ourselves and others that we value ourselves too highly to be demeaned. This stance can influence how we are perceived, encouraging others to treat us with the respect everyone deserves. It's a powerful assertion of self-esteem and sets a boundary that deters disrespectful interactions. This habit is crucial for personal development, as it helps in building a positive self-image and fosters environments where respect is a given, not an option. Habit 3. Don't always say yes. Zen master, learn to say no when necessary. Constantly yielding diminishes self-respect. Assert yourself, and others will respect your boundaries. Habit 3 emphasizes the power of discernment in our responses to requests and demands on our time and energy. By habitually agreeing to every request, we may inadvertently erode our self-respect and allow others to overstep our boundaries. The advice from the Zen master encapsulates the essence of self-assertion and the cultivation of respect from others. It is not just about denying requests, but about understanding and acknowledging our own limits. Saying no when necessary is a testament to our self-awareness and respect for our own needs and capacities. This practice encourages a healthy balance between accommodating others and maintaining our own well-being, ultimately leading to more meaningful and respectful interactions. Habit 4. Don't reply quickly. Zen master, avoid hasty responses. Thoughtfulness fosters understanding and respect. Take time to ponder before replying. Habit 4, as shared by a Zen master, teaches the importance of not replying quickly. This practice goes beyond mere communication etiquette. It's a principle that encourages mindfulness and patience in our interactions. By resisting the urge to respond hastily, we give ourselves the opportunity to consider our words more carefully, which can lead to more meaningful and respectful conversations. This thoughtful pause allows for a deeper processing of the information received, ensuring that our responses are not only well considered but also more empathetic and aligned with our true intentions. In doing so, we cultivate a habit that not only enhances our personal interactions but also contributes to fostering a culture of understanding and respect in our wider community. This approach reflects a profound appreciation for the power of words and the impact they can have, encouraging a more reflective and compassionate mode of communication. Habit 5. Don't always be available. Zen Master, value your time. Constant availability diminishes its worth. Prioritize your commitments and let others respect your boundaries. Habit 5 emphasizes the importance of not being perpetually accessible, aligning with the wisdom of a Zen master who teaches the value of one's time. Being constantly available can inadvertently reduce the perceived value of your time, both to yourself and to others. This habit encourages individuals to prioritize their commitments and establish clear boundaries, ensuring that their time is allocated to activities and relationships that are most meaningful to them. It's about respecting your own time enough to make it scarce, which in turn compels others to respect it as well. By doing so, you cultivate a healthier balance between availability and personal space, which is essential for personal growth and maintaining quality relationships. This principle serves as a reminder that your time is a precious commodity and should be treated as such. Habit 6. Be as busy as possible. Zen Master, stay occupied with purposeful endeavors. Idleness invites disrespect, while productivity commands admiration. Let your actions speak volumes. In the guidance of Zen Master, Habit 6 emphasizes the value of engaging in purposeful activities to stay productive. It highlights the idea that being busy with meaningful work not only prevents the pitfalls of idleness but also earns the respect and admiration of others. This approach underlines the importance of letting one's actions reflect their commitment and dedication, thereby showcasing their value through productivity. By remaining actively involved in constructive endeavors, one not only builds a positive reputation but also contributes significantly to their personal growth and the well-being of their community. The Zen Master's advice serves as a reminder that purpose-driven business is not about filling time with tasks, but about choosing engagements that are enriching, valuable, and respectful of one's goals and the expectations of society. Transformed by the Zen Master's teachings, Rohan emerges with a newfound understanding. By shading these habits, he paves the path to earning genuine respect. May Rohan's journey inspire us all to seek respect not from others, but from within. For true respect is earned through integrity, strength, and wisdom. Subscribe the channel for more videos.